if you have clicked on this video, I assume that you have bought your new planner and you're super excited to draw the first mark on it and start setting it up. But before you put that permanent ink onto the paper, I want you guys to go through these 5 steps even before setting up your new planner. This will help your plans and your dreams to stay valid throughout the year, and you will be able to stick to your planning routine consistently and keep the motivation alive just like you have at the beginning of a new year. And if you are still in the hunt of choosing your perfect planner, then check out this particular video to get some clarity about your planner type and decide on your perfect planner. I have shared few practical tips in this video that will help you to choose your kind of a planner. Link of all the videos will be in the description box below. And by the way, if you are watching me for the first time, then hi, my name is Aisha and I have recently launched my own planner brand, and we have recently come up with the 2024 planner, the Life Aroma Planner 2024. If you are interested in knowing more about the planner, then I will provide all the details and the related videos in the description box below. Definitely go ahead, check it out. Now let's get started with the first tip. Tip number 1 is to visualize. So even before you start writing in your planner physically, just sit down and flip through all the pages in your new planner. Go through each and every page and visualize how you are going to use it for the entire year. Go through all the yearly pages, the monthly pages and the daily spreads that you have in your planner. Check out all the notes pages that you have in your planner so that you know how you can customize and use it for the spreads that you don't have in that particular planner. This will automatically give you idea what are all the things that you want to track in your planner and how you are going to use it for the entire year. I really feel that you should go through this step because I feel that you have already bought your planner in the month of October or November and you have like 3 months to go for the new year. So definitely your thought process can change during this time period as well before the new year hits. So just visualize it how you want to use the planner and just keep it in your mind. And I feel that you should wait for December to start writing in your planner actually. Tip number 2, or you can say the next step, is to set an intention for the planner. Yes, I feel that this step is very important if you are using a single planner or even if you are using multiple planner. This applies for each of these planners that you have with you. Set an intention for the planner and write it down at the very beginning on the first page of the planner where you are writing down your name. So use a sticky note to do so, or if you have space on the first page of your planner, just write down why you are using this planner, why this planner is important for you on the first place, what is the importance of this planner in your life, whether you want to manage your time, whether you want to journal in this planner, whether you want to use this planner for your goal setting, whether you want to manage your daily chores, whether this is for your time blocking or whether you want to journal in your planner. Whatever is that intention for you, just jot it down in your planner and stick it on the first page of the planner. This will help you to stay inspired, and whenever you will feel inconsistent with your planning routine in the mid of the year, then just open your first page and just read your intention to know why you actually bought this particular planner. So it will act as a reminder or kind of an alarm for you whenever you get distracted from your planning routine. So we all are very enthusiastic at the beginning of the year to start using a new planner. So with that enthusiasm and with that intention, just jot it down somewhere and stick it on the first page of your planner. Step number 3 is to personalize your planner using key symbols. So every one of us are different and all of us have different planning styles. So I will suggest you to find your own style that will work for you. By personalizing, I mean you can color code your planner, or you can use key bullet points to represent a certain thing in your planner. So I am making this list for myself where I'm color coding different categories of my life that are important for me. This is as per my style and this will guide me throughout the year to use my planner efficiently, and this color coding method will make my planning process much more easier. Similarly, I am using these key bullet points to represent my to-do list and the status of my to-do list. This will create a visual system for me throughout my planner, and this is something that I really want to personalize as per my lifestyle. So if there is something or some symbol that will help you to personalize your planner, then definitely do that, because it will represent that you own this planner and you are going to slay your goals and your dreams using this particular planner. My next tip is to start with a pencil in the month of December. Yes, this may sound a little bit controversial and contrary, but what I mean is to go straight to the December month of that new planner and use a pencil or a sticky note to plan out the month. So go to the month of December and use a sticky note and decide how you are going to use each and every page of this particular layout, because all the layouts for the months are almost same for the next 12 months. So definitely you can use this opportunity to make a rough sketch in the month of December, which will help you to visualize how you are going to use the monthly spreads in your planner. So use a sticky note or a pencil to jot down how you are going to use each and every section in your planner, and when you are going to start fresh in the month of January, then there will be no confusion how you want to approach each and every section. I feel that this is a very pro tip, and I had been doing this from the past 3 years. And when you are in the month of December, you can just rub everything out, and by the time of December you are already accustomed with the layout, so you don't need to refer to those sticky note or something that you have written with a pencil. So yes, definitely try this out before you start setting up with a pen in the month of January. And the last tip is also very important before you start setting up your new planner, is to accumulate all of your planner accessories. So planner accessories are something which will guide you, which will help you to plan efficiently. So keeping it handy and all in one place will make your planning routine consistent, and you will find everything at one place. If you are a single pen and paper person, then you are already sorted, but if you are someone who loves to use different color pens, stickers, washi tape and correction tape in your planner, then this tip is definitely going to be a life changing for your planning routine, so that you can stick to it consistently. So let me quickly share with you my planner accessory kit with you guys that I'm planning to have with me in 2024. Alright, so this is the pouch I will be using along with my planner. So this one is from the Stationery Pal, but you can find similar ones on Amazon as well. I will provide some links in the description box below. So it's very spacious, and we have a lot of compartment here. I can store a lot of stuff here and carry this along with my planner, and it really makes my planning process very easy and consistent. So let me just quickly share with you what I keep in this pencil pouch. So firstly, I keep all these pens. These are the Tombow brush pen. I will provide the exact link in the description box below. These are my recent favorite. I'm obsessed with these pens and it perfectly fit here, so I keep all these in my pencil pouch. Then again, I keep all my coloring gel pen here, so we have variety of colors going on, and I keep it here itself. So everything is here in one place, and it is very easy to access whenever I need to. So as you can see, this compartment is very spacious, so all of this fit here properly and I can easily carry it anywhere. Next, I keep this sticky note sheet in this pencil pouch, and it also comes with a ruler, so it's very handy, so I keep it here. Moving on, I have one of my favorite product, which is the Pigma Micron pen, and I have these in 3 different thickness, 8, 10 and 12, and I use these to fill up my planner. It's very beautiful pen. I loved it, so I keep it here. So we have this compartment, and these are the permanent place for this pen. I'm literally obsessed with these pens, and I see myself buying this pen all the time. Apart from this, I do have a normal black gel pen which I generally use for writing, so I keep one of them here. And in this compartment, what I do is, firstly, I keep a correction tape, and this really helps me if I do any major mistake in my planner. Normally I really don't care if I have to cut something, I really don't care, but still I keep this correction tape, so I keep it here. And apart from that, I keep a set of washi tape that I'm using for that particular week. So normally I use washi tape in a color coding method, so all the green washi tape are here with me. So these are the 3 washi tape that I'm going to use for a particular week, so I keep it here. I normally keep on switching between all of my washi tapes. So yeah, that's a quick mini tour of my planner accessories that I generally use on a regular basis, and when I keep everything here at one place, it really become very easy to carry it anywhere with my planner. And yeah, this is something that I will definitely recommend, and it will definitely change your planning game. So this is a perfect combo that I keep on my desk near my bed, so I can like carry these two and go anywhere. So I will highly recommend this tip. Alright, so these are all the 5 steps that you must go through, I feel so, before you start literally setting up your new planner. If this video was helpful, definitely like this video, and all the planner setup videos are lined up from the month of November, so definitely stay tuned. Follow us on our Instagram handle, and lots of informative and fun videos are going to come up that will guide you to set up your new planner. So stick around, and I will see you super soon with a new video. Till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.